So this is going to be a very important class. Next one and two classes are going to be very important. So we need to understand what exactly network, what is IP address, what is IPv4 address, and what is IPv6 address and all. Okay. So basically क्या होता है ये जो चीजें है ना core component है. ठीक है किसी भी चाहे whether it is a software, whether it is IT, or whether it is computer, or whether it is anything. Okay, so this is going to help you out in upcoming classes. Also we'll try to identify how exactly we can troubleshoot the networking issues in the applications. So let's understand what exactly how this IP address looks like. Okay, and let's understand the requirement. Okay, why exactly I'm telling let's understand the requirement and how exactly it works. So we need to identify the problem itself first. Okay, so just let me create some diagram so that you can understand what exactly our purpose is to learning this IP address things. Okay, now the more important part is, for example, this is the computer one, right? In the previous project what we have seen so far, you know routing is happening from here to there, right? We discuss about the DNS part. Okay, but DNS part, what exactly we try to identify when we were talking about the DNS part, how your browser is trying to find the domain name, IP address, and how the IP address is interacting with the rest of the component, right? Which is on the way in order to reach to the application server or web server or load balancer, whatever it is, right? But what exactly you are saying, everywhere the IP address is being used, it doesn't matter. Okay, suppose your browser looking for the IP address and trying to find the IP address, it is going to the ISP, है ना? ISP to the local DNS server. Okay, local DNS server, it will go to the DNS resolver server, like authoritative server. Then it will go to the Route 53 AWS. Then it will go to the sorry, load balancer IP address. Then load balancer IP address to web server IP address, right? That is how exactly it is. That is what exactly it was trying to do in the previous session and projects that we have discussed so far. So this is the computer one, and this is the computer two. Okay, now this computer wants to communicate, right? What is the way that computer can communicate? We don't know. All right. So what exactly people has done it? So they have created some certain network, and those are connected to each other. All are connected to each other, right? But in order to identify okay how exactly this computer is going to interact, matlab ye first computer 1 and computer 2, how exactly it is going to interact, right? It should have something like naming or something, right? And the problem part is, suppose if I'll give them as a first computer, I'll give them as a Nishant, and second computer I will give them as a Rahul, right? In the entire network, whether it is, see, network could be private or public, right? प्राइवेट को समझ लो फैमिली, पब्लिक को समझ लो आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड, है ना? पब्लिक को क्या समझ रहे हो? पब्लिक यू आर गेटिंग एज अ आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड. चलो मैं बोलता हूँ राहुल, घर पे मैंने बोला कि चलो निशांत अभी मेरे रूम पे है. नाउ आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड हु इज राहुल, आई कैन कॉन्टैक्ट देम डायरेक्टली. बट व्हाट if I'll go to the outside or maybe metro station or somewhere else, I'll speak Rahul. Hey Rahul, there will be whatever Rahuls they available in that particular point of time. Everybody will start calling, right? They will start looking at me, right? So the problem part is how exactly that can be identified. Okay, so you understand networking can be done through the wire and through the wireless devices, correct? Through the wire and wireless devices. बट इन द लार्जर वे अगर आप देखोगे थोड़े से ऊपर तरीके से, तो सारी चीजें जो हैं आपस में वायरली कनेक्टेड है. ठीक है, जो नियर बाय नेटवर्क है उसको हम ब्लूटूथ या सैटेलाइट के थ्रू कनेक्ट करते हैं, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट सिनेरियोस. बट मोस्टली इफ यू सी द इंटरनेट, इंटरनेट इज कनेक्टेड थ्रू द वायर टोटली. right? Yes or no? But yes, for example, this is one region, this is one region, this is one region, right? All are connected to the wire. Yes, in order to make your work feasible or something, right? So people have created the towers. So there will be another person, there will be another person who's, using the mobile network, and they will be connected this network, and this network is going to connect with the wired network, right? But it is good for the small distance. But what exactly you're trying to understand here, how this communication is happening through the wire, and second, it is happening through the wireless, both the devices. But what is the strong point here? The strong point here is they are tightly coupled with the wire as well. Okay, this particular wired network is playing a vital role here. Okay, so this wireless devices that we are using in the real time scenario, घर का वाईफाई ले लो, right? It is good for होम पर्पस, ठीक है। अगर आप बड़े नेटवर्क में देखोगे तो लार्जर वेज में अगर आप उसको देखोगे थोड़ा बड़े तरीके से, इफ यू वांट टू सी देम, ओके, यू कैन गो फॉर द सैटेलाइट इंटरनेट, है ना, यू कैन गो फॉर द सैटेलाइट नेटवर्क, okay, which is available, but that is a very costly, and that is being used for the internal purpose, maybe army or for the country wise, right? But if you see them in the real time scenarios, they are still communicating with the wireless, but with the small wireless devices, है ना? तो now we are getting it कि भाई whatever things are there, whether it is computer 1 or computer 2, computer 3, computer 4, how exactly they are interacting? Yes, they are interacting with the wire and wireless devices, both. But what is going to play the important role? The name which got this computer, Rahul or Nishant. Nishant is nothing, but they have put one IP address here. They have put one IP address here as well. है ना? So IP address system, in order to identify the network, it could be, देखो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट कि आपको यही तरीका हो सकता है, बट उस जमाने में जब ये इन्वेंट हुआ था कि हाउ टू कंप्यूटर्स कैन कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर, दैट इज द मोस्ट स्पेसिफिक, efficient way that they found using IP addressing, using networking, and under networking they invented this IP address, है ना? उन्होंने एक मैकेनिज्म बनाया, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप आईपी एड्रेस से कर रहे हो, उन्होंने उस टाइम पे ये मैकेनिज्म बनाया कि दो कंप्यूटर आपस में आईपी एड्रेस की मदद से क्या कर सकते हैं, दे कैन कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर। देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटीज दैट पीपल कुड हैव कम्युनिकेटेड विद सम अदर डिवाइसेस एज वेल, सम अदर मैकेनिज्म, बट अभी हमारे पास वो नहीं है। व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी नो? आईपी एड्रेस, right? So that is the reason we are discussing. So IP address got invented in that particular point of time. That is the reason we are using this certain mechanism as of now till date. इसके अलावा कोई, we don't have any other options right now, right? So that is the reason we are using IP address. IP address, there are two types of IP addresses, ठीक है? IPv4 address, IPv6 IP address. Again, under IPv4 address, we have two types. One is for private and another is for public. Private means kind of for the family person who knows each other already, है ना? Public means worldwide, okay? Searching someone worldwide, okay? एवरीवन, सबको समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, you are.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So what exactly we understood? In order to communicate to computer, we need one name. Name is nothing, one IP address. Okay. In that time, whenever it was invented, so they find efficient ways to do the networking with the help of IP address. That is the only mechanism they had at that moment, and we are still using that one. Okay. In future, you can see some other thing. I don't know, but yeah, there is a chances, there is a possibilities, right? I mean, मतलब कोई other mechanism हो सकता है, but as of now we are using IP address mechanism under networking in order to communicate to each other, right? So that is the reason we are learning IP address. Okay, now let's understand what is addressing. So you understood the part why exactly we are using IP address in order to communicate to each other. For example, Nishant want to talk with Rahul. Rahul will, sorry, I'll call Rahul directly. Okay, under the public. But if I'll go to the metro station, there will be lots of Rahul. Okay, it is difficult to identify which Rahul has to approach Nishant or Nishant has to approach Rahul, right? Because everybody will start shouting. Okay, so let's understand the addressing part. I'll This is the basic part, basic class, first one. So I'll discuss, slowly. So you have to make this point stronger, the IP networking part, because that is the only thing which is going to help you to identify the issues mostly in most of the cases. Okay, and most painful problem in this computer science is networking one. Okay, the reason why I'm telling you, you have a website, it is running, right? It is, you have a full of resources, high configuration you have in EC2 instance, but still your application is loading slow. Developer is saying application is perfect, there is no issue in coding. Okay, and the networking team is saying our networking is fine, totally fine, there is no issue. But problem, what is the pain point here? Your website is loading very slow. What will happen? सपोज अगर आप कोई OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में अगर आप कोई स्ट्रीमिंग देख रहे हो, लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग, है ना, इट इज काइंड ऑफ पेनफुल इफ इट इज कीप ऑन लोडिंग, buffering, right? It is a part of slow networking. It could be due to many reasons at all, many reasons. Okay, so that is the reason we have to understand. Also, why exactly we are learning this IP addressing, so that if you see in the previous classes, we were creating the prod environment, है ना? We were creating the QA environment, we were creating the stage environment, right? And this environment needs lot of things, right? Database, correct? EC2, load balancer, Route 53, है ना? In most of the resources, it require an IP address, right? So what exactly we're gonna do? We'll take a network device, जैसे कि हमारे घर पे होता है, एक नेटवर्क डिवाइस बनाते हैं, उसको सर्टेन आईपी एड्रेस रेंज ये दे दिए, प्रोडक्शन को दे दिए, some part of the IP address we have given to QA, some part of the IP address we have given to stage, है ना? फॉर एग्जांपल 100 आईपी एड्रेस है ना? तो नॉट 100 आईपी एड्रेस, यू कैन टेक 75 so that I can calculate 25 25 50, yep, 75 IP address. Network device we have taken which have a 75 IP address. So 25 IP address I have given to production, right? 25 IP address I have given to QA, 25 IP address I have given to stage, right? If anything wrong here, IP address got completed or something happened, right? 24, but it is not going to impact this one, it is not going to impact this one. All the environments are indivisible. They can use whatever allocated number of IP address which we have given, they can use that much. Yes, if it is, IP address requirement is coming less, yes, we need to talk with the networking team or our DevOps team who can understand your requirement and try to figure it out how exactly extra IP address can be given to production environment. Correct. How exactly this ALB is communicating? How exactly this, EC2 instance is communicating? All need a IP address. Okay. So IP address could be dynamic or IP address could be static. But in a real-time scenario, software industries always, most of the time, we have to use static IP address. Okay. The term I'm telling you, static IP address, is because if you change the network or something happen, your device virtual machine LB IP address could change and your application will become unstable, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अभी राहुल ने एक वेबसाइट बनाया, इसको एक पब्लिक आईपी एड्रेस मिला, है ना? एक पब्लिक आईपी एड्रेस मिला, समझ लो 10.10.10 डॉट, ठीक है? नाउ दैट आईपी एड्रेस हैज that IP address has updated in the DNS record 10.10.10 dot. Now rahul.com can access the website because if browser will go to the website will go to the GoDaddy and it will see rahul.com is having the IP address 10.10. But what exactly happened suddenly? Because Rahul is using the dynamic IP address. Now, after some time, AWS has changed this IP address. What exactly happened? Now, current IP address is 10.10.10.20. But actual IP address in the DNS entry, what exactly we have updated? 10.10.10.10. Will you be able to access the website? Current situation is IP address got changed. Now it is 20. But what exactly we have updated there? Old IP address 10.10.10.10. Application is become unstable now. Application is not become unstable, but yeah, DNS is not able to find the correct IP address because IP address has been changed. Are you getting my point? So IP address could change as soon as you change the network. अभी फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप जो भी आईपी एड्रेस चेंज कर रहे हो एग्जांपल के लिए, ठीक है, आईपी कॉन्फिग ऑल, इफ कॉन्फिग, इट्स आईपी कॉन्फिग होना चाहिए, लिनक्स में इफ कॉन्फिग यूज होता है, ठीक है? दिस इज माय IP address. Who has given to me to this particular laptop? Which network I'm connected with right now, guys? मैं अपने लैपटॉप से राउटर पे कनेक्टेड हूँ. राउटर इज कनेक्टेड विद ISP. And who's the network device here? Router is my network device here. Router is giving me this IP address. Okay. If I will change my geo network, right? As of now, I'm using this particular network, right? Suppose if I'll switch to the hotspot, do you know what? This IP address may get change. ये IP address आपका change हो जाएगा. And again, I ask the hotspot from Rahul. You know what? What is going to happen? This IP address will again get changed. If I will choose some other network IP address, Act Fiber and all, if I'll connect to the Act Fiber router, just a second, please. ठीक है. तो अभी आपको क्या समझ में आया? आईपी एड्रेस जब भी आप लोग चेंज करते हो, राइट, किसी भी नेटवर्क से कनेक्ट होते हो, नेटवर्क मतलब कि आपका एक्ट फाइबर हो सकता है, राइट, आपका जियो हो सकता है, आपका एयरटेल हो सकता है, लेकिन इस केस में आपका क्या होगा? नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस. अगर आप हॉटस्पॉट शेयर कर रहे हो तो आपका मोबाइल क्या होगा? एक नेटवर्क डिवाइस होगा विच विल प्रोवाइड द आईपी एड्रेस टू योर डिवाइस. डिवाइस मीन्स मेरे कंप्यूटर को. नाउ मैं आई वांट टू कनेक्ट विद द राहुल. राहुल इज यूजिंग ना जियो. Rahul, I asked to Rahul, sorry, Chandu, hey Chandu, just give me your hotspot. And Chandu is using Jio, right? Jio network. But any questions? Okay. So now Chandu is giving me the hotspot. As soon as Chandu has given me the hotspot, one dynamic IP address will be assigned from his mobile to my computer in order to communicate each other. Okay, you'll understand this point. I'll explain, point wise. सो व्हाट एग्जैक्टली वी आर गेटिंग, जब भी चंदू, राहुल या कोई भी अपना हॉटस्पॉट शेयर करता है, राइट, तो आपका जो मोबाइल है ना, एक राउटर की तरह काम करता है, एक नेटवर्क डिवाइस की तरह काम करता है. ठीक है, आपका राउटर कनेक्टेड है आपके आईएसपी से, और मुझे इंटरनेट देने के लिए आपके आईएसपी ने क्या किया, सॉरी, आपके हॉटस्पॉट ने क्या किया, जो डिवाइस है उसमें हॉटस्पॉट, एक डिवाइस लगा हुआ आपके मोबाइल में, इट्स अ हार्डवेयर, राइट. एज सुन एज यू इनेबल इट, इट बिकम अ राउटर. एंड राउटर का काम क्या है? एक नेटवर्क डिवाइस प्रोवाइड करना. ठीक है. आपका बेस्ट एग्जांपल बोलता हूँ, EC2 इंस्टेंस जब हम लोग क्रिएट करते हैं, हैव वी क्रिएटेड एनी EC2 इंस्टेंस, सॉरी, हैव वी क्रिएटेड एनी नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस? गिव मी द आंसर. हैव वी क्रिएटेड फ्रॉम आवर ओन? नो, राइट. So automatically AWS was assigning one network device and it was dynamically giving one IP address to each machine. Yes or no? Private IP address. Do you remember? Automatically one IP
Yes.
address was getting assigned. How? Because we were using the default setting. तो जैसे हम हॉटस्पॉट में भी डिफॉल्ट सेटिंग्स अपन कनेक्ट करते हैं, राइट, तो राहुल या चंदू का जो हॉटस्पॉट है एक राउटर बन जाता है एंड इट गिव्स मी द आईपी एड्रेस. एक ऑटोमेटिकली एक आईपी एड्रेस असाइन करता है मेरे लैपटॉप को. जो भी डिवाइस कनेक्ट होना चाहता है उसको आईपी एड्रेस असाइन करता है. क्यों? सो दैट बोथ कैन कम्युनिकेट टू ईच अदर, राइट. सो वैसे ही तो क्या होता है कि जब आपके घर पे राउटर इंटरनेट वाला आता है, राइट, वेन एवर इंटरनेट और मे बी आईएसपी प्रोवाइडर कम्स, राइट, एयरटेल या कुछ भी ले लो, वो आपके राउटर में क्या कॉन्फ़िगर करता है? वो आपके राउटर में उसका डीएनएस आईपी किसका, एयरटेल का या तो फिर एक्ट फाइबर का, जो भी आप लेते हो ना सर्विस, उसका डीएनएस आईपी कॉन्फ़िगर करता है ना. और राउटर का काम क्या होता है? राउटर तो कनेक्ट हो गया इंटरनेट के साथ, बट आपका लैपटॉप अभी कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ है, तो लैपटॉप कनेक्ट करने के लिए आप क्या करते हो? यहाँ पे जाते हो, है ना, यहाँ पे चेक करते हो कौन सा राउटर अवेलेबल है. जैसे ही मैं इस पे क्लिक करूंगा और पासवर्ड एंटर करूंगा ना, उसका कम्युनिकेशन, सॉरी, उसका राउटर, ये जो राउटर है एट क्या है जो भी है, एक्ट फाइबर नेट जो भी है ना, as soon as is connect with the router, automatically router send one dynamic IP address and it assigned to my laptop so that both can communicate to each other. ठीक है, तो एक डायग्राम के थ्रू समझ लेते हैं. So I'll discuss about, types of IP address, what is IP4, IPv6, and what is logical address, what is a physical address. We'll discuss about this part. Okay, what is a network ID, what is host ID, what is class A, what is class B, what is class C, what is class D. We'll discuss all about these things to the classes. Okay, so one second. So this is my laptop. This is my home, and under home we have a router, right? And this is the ISP provider, Airtel. Okay, and as soon as you opt the internet from the Airtel people will come and configure the Airtel DNS IP, and Airtel DNS IP is nothing public IP. Cannot set public DNS IP. So what will happen? It is now connected with ISP. This Airtel is already connected with the internet. He has purchased internet. Okay, Airtel has purchased some internet from here, right? And Airtel provider क्या होता है, सभी कस्टमर के पास जा करके एक राउटर सेटअप कर देता है, ठीक है? तो ये किसका नेटवर्क हो गया गाइस? ये एयरटेल का नेटवर्क है, राइट? एंड राइट आफ्टर दैट ये डीएनएस आईपी जैसे ही कॉन्फ़िगर करता है यहाँ पे एक आईपी एड्रेस, देखो इसके पास जो नेटवर्क डिवाइस है ना, ये आईपी एड्रेस किसको असाइन कर रहा है? ये आईपी एड्रेस इज गोइंग टू बी असाइंड, इसका नेटवर्क एयरटेल नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस, सी इंटरनेट नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस गोइंग टू असाइन द आईपी एड्रेस टू एयरटेल, एंड एयरटेल का नेटवर्क इज गोइंग टू असाइन वन आईपी एड्रेस टू राउटर। देखो, अंडरस्टैंड करो चीजों को नाउ। राउटर इज गोइंग टू असाइन द आईपी एड्रेस टू लैपटॉप। आर यू सीइंग द हायरार्की, नेटवर्क हायरार्की? Network 1, network 2, network 3. So how exactly it is happening? Internet, network, internet, network within a network, Airtel, within a network, our home. Are you seeing? So this hierarchy will keep goes on. It could be, we don't know the depth, it could be lots of depth, it could be there in the networking, right? So you can see the hierarchy. Under the internet network we have a Airtel network. Under the Airtel network we have a home network. Under the home network, if I want to create my own network, yes, I can do that well as well, that one as well. Charger kidhar gaya? Just give me a second, guys. Charger.